Lie flat on your back and bend both knees. Cross the right leg over the left and bring both knees toward your chest. Gently pull the left leg toward you until you feel a stretch in your glutes. Hold the stretch for a few seconds, then lower back down and repeat with the other leg. This stretch is great for relieving tightness in the glutes and lower back, helping to improve flexibility and reduce tension. Remember to move slowly and listen to your body. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back, keeping your core tight and back flat. Hold for a second, then lower with control and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating sides, focusing on controlled movements and deep, steady breathing. This exercise helps improve core stability, balance, and overall body coordination. Lie face down on the floor. Press down on your hands and extend your elbows while keeping your hips flat on the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down and repeat. You should not feel any pain in your legs, but a mild discomfort in your lower back is normal as your spine extends. If you experience sharp pain, ease out of the stretch and modify as needed. Lie on your back with arms extended above your shoulders and knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor while keeping your core tight. Return to the start and switch sides. This exercise is excellent for building core strength, improving stability, and enhancing coordination. Keep your movements slow and controlled for maximum benefit. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat. Tighten your core and tuck your chin toward your chest. Lift your shoulders off the floor, reaching your hands forward and hold for 3 seconds. Exhale as you lift, then lower slowly and repeat. This exercise helps strengthen your core while reducing strain on your lower back. Remember to move with intention and avoid using momentum. Get on your hands and knees. Let your stomach drop, arching your back downward, and hold for 5 seconds. Then, round your back up towards the ceiling and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat, staying controlled and breathing deeply. This exercise helps improve spinal mobility, relieve tension, and promote flexibility in your back and core. Lie on your side with legs straight and stacked. Place your elbow under your shoulder and lift your hips, forming a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position, maintaining a strong core and steady breath. Keep your neck in line with your spine to prevent strain. Now, slowly lower back down with control and repeat on the other side. This exercise strengthens your core, obliques, and shoulders while improving overall stability and balance. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles and press your lower back into the floor. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat, keeping your movement slow and controlled. Focus on using your abdominal muscles to control the movement and avoid straining your back. Place one foot on a chair, keeping your legs straight and your knee extended, ensuring your back is flat. Hinge at your hips, slowly leaning forward. Return the leg to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Engage your core to protect your lower back and avoid rounding it. Keep your movement slow and controlled to get the most benefit from the stretch.